What's up again, my beautiful sisters? It's your girl Rita Ayako, and I'm back with another interesting video. So in this video I'm going to be talking about Glutathione Comprime. That's actually the name in French, but in English you can call it glutathione tablets. Okay, so I know I have been talking a lot about this product on this channel, but I have actually not done a proper review about this product. So in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use this, some of the tricks, and how to identify original and fake glutathione when you see one, and also the serum, because there are a lot of them out there. I have actually been receiving a lot of messages concerning this issue, like how to identify the fake and original. So if you're interested in this video, please make sure you watch to the end, because I'm going to be telling you all what you need to know about this product. As usual, you know how I do it, so please keep on watching and I'll be back. Remember, watch to the end, don't skip. Stay tuned, I'll be back. Welcome back once again, my beautiful sisters. So before I'll start talking about the glutathione tablet, I'll first of all like to talk about this hair I'm wearing right now. The hair is actually, this video is not sponsored, please don't get me wrong. I just want to give this information to some of you out there that have been requesting or telling me some stuff how you can get the hair. So this hair is actually made in Cameroon. This one, I love braiding a lot, but I cannot sit down for so long to braid my hair, so I prefer wearing this wig, wearing it like this. So I have like 2 of these at home, and this is super very long and very comfortable. And this one, it is 40 inches long, very long. When I say very long, and it's very comfortable and also very affordable. So if you are interested in this hair, if you want the hair in different colors, all type of colors, just any color you want, just send me a DM or leave a comment in the comment section, and we are going to chat. Okay, yeah. So now let me start with the glutathione comprime. Now, there are so many things that I have not tell you about this product in my other video, because the reason I did not mention everything is because the video were not actually meant for the product alone, but this particular video is meant for this, just for this product. So firstly, I will be telling you how you can get the original glutathione comprime. I'll also be leaving the images on the screen. You are going to see them. Now let me start by saying glutathione comprime. Sorry, why am I always talking about glutathione comprime? Let me say it in English and in French. Glutathione tablet is a lotion that is super whitening and very strong. When I say super whitening, I'm not joking. If you buy it and you don't get the white, like the complexion that you want, when I say whitening complexion, it means you bought the fake. Now it means you bought the fake, because if you buy the fake, you are not going to see any good results. You are not going to see any, it will instead make you more darker than how you used to be. Okay, there are some other glutathione comprime out there in the market that when you buy them and use, you will notice that instead of getting shining or glowing or whitening, it's going to darken your skin. And there's also another glutathione comprime. This one is actually the one that I have used. Now when I talk about the other one, that this one that if you buy you get darker, the very first time I bought it, because I bought it, it did not give me any skin problem, like any skin, like, you know what I mean. But what I noticed about it is that it was darkening my skin. And I will suggest that if you are a dark skin, brown skin girl, you can go for this one, this type. You can go for this type. But if you want a fairer complexion or very whitening complexion, you go for this other type. And another thing is that before you can achieve that whitening skin or that glowing whitening, like super whitening skin, you also need to pre-mix your cream very well. When I say pre-mix your cream very well, it does not mean that you are going to buy a lot of different tubes in the market just to pre-mix the cream. No, all you need is the glutathione tablets serum, the super fort eclissance, like the super whitening serum. Now this super whitening serum, a lot of you have been asking me questions. Is it the pink or the yellow serum? No, I'm not talking about the pink or the yellow type. I'm talking about the cream. Like there's another one that is looking somehow creamy, like the one I always show you in my videos. So I'll also leave it here on the screen. This is the type that I'm talking about. This is the one that is super whitening. I don't know about the other glutathione tablets whitening serum. I don't know about the other ones because I have not used them. But this one right here is what I have used. This one is creamy, like creamy white, not completely white. So this is the one I'm talking about. And I'll also tell you on how to identify the fake one. Now in this video, I'm not going to say this one is fake and the other one is not fake. Actually, what I will tell you in this video is that this one right here is for the dark skin type. If you're a dark skin, you don't want to tone your skin, you don't want to whiten your skin, you don't want to become too white, I will suggest you go for this. But let me tell you this, this one is going to darken your skin even more than what you used to look like before. Remember, I also mentioned in one of my videos that a friend reached out to me, and she, at that time, I was using this glutathione tablet cream, the lotion itself. So she reached out to me, she asked me what I was using. I told her, and I told her everything, the price. If you get the original, it's super expensive, but it's very good. I will always say this: it's better you buy something that is expensive and good than buy something that is cheap that is going to damage your skin. So when I told her, maybe she was thinking that I was not telling her the truth or whatsoever, I don't know. She went ahead and bought this one. And she later told me that the one that she bought, she called me out and she was saying, Rita, I bought that lotion, that body lotion. I bought up to 5 containers of it. Normally this particular one is very cheap. It's very cheap, more than the original or the real glutathione tablets body lotion. Now this one is very cheap. So she went and saw how it was cheap, and the other one was too expensive. She go for the cheap one. When she bought that one, she was not seeing any good result. She bought up to 5 body lotion of this type. And I asked her, which one did you buy? So she snapped and sent to me. I said, see, that's how people don't know. When someone is trying to be honest with you people, you think the person is trying to lie, to deceive you, or to eat your money or whatever. And she was now begging me to get the original for her. I told her that no, I cannot do that. You make your choice and went for something else. Had it been you listening to me, this would have not happened. Imagine you bought up to 5 body lotion. That is not even what you wanted. It's not giving you the complexion that you so desire. So remember, go for this one, not this other one. If you're a dark skin girl, I will recommend you go for this. But if you want something more stronger and very whitening, you go for this. I hope you can see them well on the screen. What another thing I love about this cream is that it does not give stretch marks. It does not give green veins. See, right now, if you look at me very well, you notice that my complexion is becoming a little bit dark. That is because for like 2 weeks and a half now, 2 weeks and some days, I have not been applying my body cream on my skin, because now I'm about to give you some of the tips. Why? Because when you are applying creams on your skin, you also need to give your skin some break. Like, there's some time that you need to give your skin, let your skin, I don't know how I can explain this. Applying a lightening or whitening cream every day on your skin is not good. Give your skin some space. Give your skin some time to repair itself. Yeah, right now the only thing I'm using right now on my skin is my Nivea Natural Fairness. Is the only thing I'm using right now on my skin. I have been using it for like 2 weeks and some days. If you take a good look at it, you'll notice that my other videos, my last video and this one, my complexion is somewhere looking a little bit dark. Yeah, but I will start back my pomade cream. I'll start applying my pomade cream in, like, let me say, Monday next week. Today is Thursday, so by Monday next week I'll start applying my pomade cream back on my body, because I know that my skin, I have give my skin enough time and enough space to repair itself. Our skin also gets tired, so when you're applying a lot of different creams on your skin, make sure you give your skin some break. So the only thing what I'm applying on my skin right now is just my essential oils and even shea butter. I just combine everything. I just mix all those essential oils, my shea butter oil with vitamin C, everything. I just mix everything like that, and I use with my natural, my fair and white. Is it? Sorry, Natural Fairness. So that is what I'm using right now. Like I said, go for original glutathione tablet body lotion. Use it with the facial cream. Also use it with the cheap. Use a complete set if you have your money. That's my advice for you. Use a complete set because it's very good. You are not going to notice any skin reaction, no, unless you bought the fake. Because if you buy the original, you're not going to notice any problem. So I think this will be all for this video, and if you enjoy watching this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Remember to always share on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger. Just share anywhere, Viber. Just share the video, okay? And remember, I always talk about this product. It's very good. When I say it's good, you people know me very well. If you have been watching me from the very beginning, you know that I keep it real. All my videos are not sponsored, so don't think that maybe I'm getting paid for doing all this review stuff. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading video for a while now. I'm actually still using my phone to film because I have not yet received my YouTube payment, and things are very difficult right now in my country. I'm still trying to save up to buy a camera. So my phone is just giving me stress and headache, and I also have my own stress that is just bothering me. But I thank God I'm still alive and strong, healthy, and everything. So I remember one time I was making a video. I said something. I just mentioned something about a camera, and the sister reached out to me. But unfortunately, the money she gave me, the money wasn't enough, and I went to the market, to the shop, to purchase a filming camera. It was very expensive, and right now things are very tough in my country. Nothing seems to be moving, nothing is working. So please, I'm sorry for the inconsistency. This, like, I've not been uploading video. You all know me, I always try my best to put out content out there. So if you are watching this video and you have that good heart, and if the Lord leads you to support your girl with anything, so I can add to what I have been saving and buy the camera, or if you wish, or if you have that good heart, that soft heart, and if God also touches your heart to buy me if you decide to buy the camera and send to me, I will be glad. Like, I'll be very, very happy. I'll take it with my 2 hands. You know, there's always a saying that don't be shy to open up. Okay, you know, people know I don't like to fake things. I'm a very, very straightforward and honest person. So I will not come here and be bragging that I have this, I have that, which I don't have. So please, if you are my destiny helper watching me, please, if you can do this for me, this camera stuff, I'll be very, very grateful. If you cannot, anything you have, you can support me, and I'll be very happy. Remember the saying, givers never lack. So that is all. I think I'll end this video here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support and love. And if you really want to help me or support me with the camera stuff or any other thing God lays in your heart, you can leave me a comment, or you check the description box. You see my email my email address is there. My Instagram handle is there. You can just reach out to me, send me a DM, or send me an email, and I'll respond to you. So take care, stay safe, and stay blessed. If you have any question regarding this video I just did now, please leave a comment. Just comment down below and I will respond to you. So stay blessed, stay safe, and I love you all so much. Bye bye.